Kordz is a professional-grade connectivity brand for systems technicians by systems technicians. We're former integrators, and for more than 20 years we've partnered with global technology leaders to redesign and re-engineer connectivity products for professional installation to make your job creating exceptional systems easier. Using premium materials, advanced manufacturing methods, and a high standard of practical and graceful design, Kordz makes connectivity products that really work. They're fast and easier to install, robust and built to last, so that you can get in, get out, and get onto your next project. We take exceptional care to meet your specific needs as professionals, sharing our knowledge and expertise to educate and support this great industry, driving innovation and testing every cable so that you always look good. At Kordz, it's all about connectivity, but not as you know it. Experiencing is believing. Discover connectivity Kordzified. Connect with us at Kordz.com.